Solar power brings comfort, stability, and control to Nigerian homes. However, in our enthusiasm, we must ask, what are we not talking about? What hidden risks accompany this vital energy solution? The hidden question is, what if solving power problems has quietly introduced new dangers, even life-threatening ones? The risk is often concentrated in battery storage. Many Nigerian homes rely on affordable tubular solar solutions. These standard tubular batteries are primarily lead-acid based, which crucially means they contain significant amounts of lead. This matters because lead should not be in your air or living space. We must ensure toxic fumes stay away for personal safety. Protecting children is key, as they are at the highest risk for lead-related complications. During normal operation, batteries can release gases like hydrogen. Poor installation or aging units can release harmful, toxic lead fumes directly into your home, creating an active hazard. Common installation mistakes include placing batteries inside living rooms and bedrooms, under staircases, in kitchen areas, or on poorly ventilated balconies. These locations create dangerous risk zones. We celebrate the solar installation and move on. However, this starts a silent buildup where harmful exposure, often invisible, builds quietly in our homes over time. Subtle warning signs of lead exposure include constant headaches, often dismissed as stress, unusual tiredness that rest cannot fix, and unexplained general malaise without a clear medical cause. Long-term health risks are severe. Lead impacts the brain and memory, causes respiratory complications, stresses the kidneys, disrupts energy levels, and affects children's growth. The bigger problem is rooted in low regulation and poor waste management. Inadequate systems allow more lead to enter living spaces without safeguards, posing a direct threat to community health. The truth is, solar is not the problem. It is a vital, clean resource. The issue lies in the way we adopt it. Improper installation, lack of safety standards, and hazardous battery storage inside living spaces. We must take action now. Check your setup for safety standards. Improve ventilation to prevent gas buildup. Relocate batteries away from living spaces, and plan for safer lithium storage options. Our final message is this: safety is a shared journey. Beyond just light and power, the goal is a secure environment for your family. Stay alive and healthy so you can enjoy the benefits tomorrow. This is a call to action. Inspect your solar setup and inquire about safety. Share this message to spread awareness. Stay safe by making the necessary changes. Your safety is the ultimate priority.